I'm sure all of you at this point, if you follow this channel, have done this, but we're going to show you a fancy way to eliminate these things. What's up guys, Dan here, Coalcracker. Today we're going to talk about how we use the prusik and the toggle, and something that you can do. It's like the simplest, easiest thing, but it's super bushcrafty, and maybe you'll want to add it to your arsenal. So as most of you might know, and if you don't know, using toggles on something like this is super beneficial. So what we have here is we have a prusik line, which is a specific knot tied, which I'm going to show you here in a second, that has a loop and it tensions. So as I pull, it tensions the tarp, and to do that we need a toggle. So how that works, when I loosen this thing up, okay, what you're gonna see is this toggle becomes loose, and you can slide that out, and then you can slide your prusik line away, okay? And the prusik, like I said, is literally just a loop like that, okay, that we put inside our tent loop with the toggle. And then as I do this, I'm going to show you right now real quick here, as I do this, what happens is I can add tension to my tarp. So this is like the go-to for all bushcrafters, but here's the thing. If you want to do a little bushcrafty project while you're out and you have a fixed ridge line that you always use time and time again, we can take this prusik line, okay, take our knot out of it on the end, so we're not going to have a loop there right now. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a stick that has a hole in it, and we are going to tie a permanent toggle on here. So now we have something like this. So when you get to camp, you set up your ridge line, your toggle is literally already on the tarp. So all that you need to do now is slide your toggle through, give it a pull, and you're good to go. How easy is that? So there you go, little quick tip, hot tip for all of you bushcrafters out there. Just attach the toggles permanently, and then you're not searching around for anything. You're not going to lose them. They're right on your ridge line, and you'll be good to go. Plus, it's a fun little project. I taught recently in a few videos back, if you go and look, different ways that you can drill holes. If you don't have something like a gimlet or a drill bit, you can just use that method, which I'm going to find it and put it in a link below. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe and like button below. You can also check us out over at coalcrackerbushcraft.com, and keep on making those toggles, and until the next video, stay in the woods.